Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We're in Baltimore, Maryland today doing a garage makeover. Right now we're getting everything put together and moved out, and then we're going to wrap it and secure it for our client. This is a repeat client, a really loyal client. She wants us to assist her by getting everything up and out of the garage. That way we can start on our prepping of our Polyaspartic Polyurea floor insulation. Come along with us. We removed all the weight gem equipment she built in her garage along with other belongings. Lots of stains on the concrete floor that the client was happy to get rid of once and for all, plus a big makeover to the stem wall. You can see how that is separated. Here we're getting the floor ground so we can apply our material that'll take care of these cracks, fill them up, get them level, as well as the stem wall where that has separated from the floor. We're getting all this prepped up and ready for our material. And then once we get all that filled and level, we'll come back and grind it one more time, and then we'll be ready for our base coat of our Polyaspartic Polyurea floor insulation product. Client went with our very popular 616 floor color. That's one of our best sellers. And I say that because after the last 20, 22 years of doing floors, that's the #1 seller, probably 70% of our floors. As you can see, we're applying our Polyaspartic Polyurea top coat now. Our top coat Polyaspartic Polyurea is impervious to battery acid, regular road salt, hydraulic fluid. Nothing will penetrate it. That's why we give our lifetime warranty. For all your garage flooring needs, give us a call at the office, 410-721-2342, or hit the link below for more information.